Have you ever wondered about the secret behind cinnamon's popularity throughout history? Or perhaps you're curious about the health benefits associated with this beloved spice? From managing blood sugar levels to potentially aiding in weight loss, cinnamon has captured the interest of health enthusiasts and researchers alike. But what exactly makes cinnamon such a powerhouse of wellness? Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of cinnamon and uncover its myriad benefits for health and well-being. In this video, we will explore 7 benefits of cinnamon that researchers have proven, shedding light on its remarkable effects on our health. Cinnamon is a spice that is produced from the branches of trees belonging to the laurel family. It originates from the Caribbean Basin, South America, and Southeast Asia. Historically, cinnamon was an important commodity valued for its aroma and medicinal properties. People have been using cinnamon since 2000 before the Common Era in ancient Egypt, where it was highly esteemed. During the Middle Ages, physicians used it to treat ailments such as coughs, arthritis, and sore throats. Cinnamon became a valuable commodity along the Silk Road, a trade route connecting East and West. It has always been a luxury for Europeans, although it was actively used in cuisine, beverages, and perfume compositions. In India, it is used to prepare curry, in Turkey for making sweet dishes, and in Mexico for spicy sauces. The secret of cinnamon's popularity lies in its distinctive aroma and properties, which give it a special taste and importance in human diet. Today, it is the second most popular spice after black pepper in the United States and Europe. Cinnamon is available as a powder or in pieces of bark. People also actively use cinnamon essential oil. Let's unravel the 7 scientifically proven advantages that make this spice a true treasure for our well-being. 1. May enhance heart health. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory characteristics, mainly due to its component cinnamaldehyde, can inhibit elements contributing to inflammation such as alpha and inflammatory cytokines. Inflammation plays a crucial role in the advancement and rupture of fatty plaques, which could lead to heart issues like heart attacks or strokes. Moreover, cinnamon contains abundant polyphenols and antioxidants, which counteract harmful free radicals, thereby aiding in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. 2. May mitigate diabetes risk. Research suggests that cinnamaldehyde, a key active compound in cinnamon, may possess properties that could potentially counteract diabetes. Cinnamon has shown promise in enhancing the body's responsiveness to insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. This improved insulin sensitivity can assist in effectively regulating blood sugar levels, which may be particularly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes or diabetes. Furthermore, cinnamon has been observed to decrease sugar intake and interfere with digestive enzymes, thus moderating spikes in glucose and insulin levels following carbohydrate consumption. 3. May promote digestive health. For those experiencing gastrointestinal discomfort such as bloating, stomach pains, or irregularity, cinnamon might offer relief. Its carminative attributes are effective in reducing gas formation, while its prebiotic effects support the health of the gut microbiota. Additionally, cinnamon's antispasmodic properties can alleviate symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and enhance intestinal movement, ultimately contributing to improved digestion and alleviation of discomfort. 4. May bolster the immune system. Cinnamon is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin K, manganese, zinc, and magnesium, all of which are essential for optimal immune function. Furthermore, cinnamon exhibits antimicrobial properties, primarily attributed to its component cinnamaldehyde, which can combat various pathogens including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Additionally, cinnamon may exert an immunomodulatory effect, helping regulate immune responses. Traditional medicinal practices in Chinese and Indian cultures often incorporate cinnamon to alleviate symptoms of flu and colds, particularly when combined with ginger tea. 5. May alleviate inflammation. The potent anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon, attributed to its abundance of antioxidants and polyphenols, hold promise in mitigating inflammation-related conditions. Cinnamon has the ability to inhibit enzymes responsible for the conversion of arachidonic acid into pro-inflammatory molecules, akin to certain anti-inflammatory medications. Studies have indicated that consumption of cinnamon over a period of 8 weeks led to a reduction in inflammation markers and reported improvements in symptoms such as joint swelling and pain among individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. 6. May provide neuroprotective benefits. Cinnamon's neuroprotective potential against conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's is grounded in its ability to reduce brain inflammation and prevent the accumulation of harmful proteins. Its essential oils and extracts can shield neurons from oxidative stress-induced damage and modulate processes associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Although further human studies are warranted, cinnamon's affordability and safety profile make it a promising avenue for potential neuroprotective interventions. Additionally, cinnamon may enhance short-term memory in individuals with elevated blood sugar levels, as evidenced by animal studies. 7. May assist in weight management. Emerging research suggests that cinnamon may contribute to weight management efforts through its thermogenic properties, which enhance energy expenditure and calorie burning, even at rest. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon could help reduce appetite, facilitating weight loss. Furthermore, cinnamon's high fiber content may promote satiety and lead to reduced calorie intake. While ongoing research continues to explore the mechanisms behind cinnamon's potential role in weight management, integrating cinnamon into a balanced diet may offer supplementary support for individuals aiming to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Certain individuals should exercise caution or avoid consuming cinnamon altogether due to potential health risks or interactions. 1. Pregnant women. While cinnamon in moderate culinary amounts is generally considered safe during pregnancy, consuming large quantities or cinnamon supplements should be avoided due to potential abortifacient effects. Excessive amounts of cinnamon may induce contractions and lead to miscarriage. 2. People with gastrointestinal conditions. Individuals with gastrointestinal issues such as gastritis, ulcers, or other stomach problems should be cautious with cinnamon consumption. 3. Individuals taking certain medications. Cinnamon contains compounds like coumarin, which can interact with certain medications, particularly anticoagulants or blood thinners. Coumarin may enhance the anticoagulant effect of these medications, increasing the risk of bleeding. 4. People with liver conditions. Excessive consumption of cinnamon, especially in concentrated forms such as supplements, may pose a risk to individuals with liver conditions. Some reports suggest that high doses of cinnamon may lead to liver damage or exacerbate existing liver conditions. 5. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities. While relatively rare, some individuals may be allergic or sensitive to cinnamon. Allergic reactions to cinnamon can range from mild skin irritation to more severe symptoms such as difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. 6. Individuals with low blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. However, in some cases, excessive consumption of cinnamon may lead to dangerously low blood sugar levels, especially when combined with diabetes medications. To make classic cinnamon tea, you'll need 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan or kettle, then add the cinnamon sticks. Reduce the heat to low and let the cinnamon sticks simmer in the water for about 10-15 minutes to infuse the flavor and aroma. Remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Optionally, add honey or your preferred sweetener to taste, stirring until dissolved. You can also add lemon slices for a citrusy twist if desired. Strain the cinnamon tea into cups or mugs using a fine mesh sieve or tea strainer to remove the cinnamon sticks. Serve the warm cinnamon tea immediately and enjoy its soothing and aromatic qualities.